Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out our levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis. I can't remember the last time I did it now off the top of my head, but I've done it before. Point being, that's where this green line here is coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. And that update revolves right around that green line. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So now on any sort of bounce to the upside, 220 is going to be that key level of resistance. But that line also illustrates just how bearish of a day it was today. And I bring that up, and this will mean a little bit more sense. Let me offer up some more history here. But this 220 mark was a very, very historic level as far as the chart was concerned. So, I mean, you go back through the history of things, and you can see 220 did a great job, acted as support, acted as support, acted as support, acted as support. Support, 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 and then today it no longer acted as support. Now, does that mean this thing's drifting down to 50 cents? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that from the overall, quote unquote story of the price the past, several weeks, that had done up until today a great job of always providing a strong, area of buying. So those buyers are either gone or they just got, fully overwhelmed by the sellers. The point being, the supply finally overwhelmed the demand right there. So that was a very bearish break on the day. And again, just going back to that rule, that's why that would now be considered an area of resistance. So in the search of next potential areas of support, current level, that there's no such thing as a guarantee, so I can't say it's for sure happening, but it would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially now drift down to $1.97. If $1.97 can't quite hold up, the next key level after that, down there around $1.80. So again, support levels now going forward, $1.97 and then $1.80. So not a good way to start off the week at all. The very big break of that support level. So we'll see if this is a start of something much bigger to the downside or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.